The federal government has insisted that the continued construction of the 700-kilometer Lagos-Calabar highway, despite ongoing court cases filed by aggrieved persons against the project. The Minister of Work, David Umahi, stated that on a press briefing on Thursday in Abuja while addressing serious concerns about the project. He also said that the 15.36 trillion coastal highway, which will be built on concrete pavement, receive all necessary legal and procedural requirements before it commences construction. The coastal highway has been a subject of public scrutiny and controversy since the government commenced construction in March 2024. In May, Umahi disclosed that 750 houses on the part of the highway has been marked for demolition. However, owners of the affected property were displeased with the government's compensation, claiming it did not match their investments. According to them, the compensation is grossly inadequate and there is the need for the government to review the payments. The founder of Leisure Games, Olanrewaju Ojo, who got 1.3 million naira compensation, told the Punch that the amount was what he could generate in a week. He said, "This is ridiculous. What am I supposed to do with this? I will make this in a week." Stakeholders and experts also condemned the road procurement process, stressing that the contract awarded to the construction company was shrouded in secrecy and bypassed the proper procurement process. The project, designed to connect Lagos to Cross River, passes through the coastal states of Ogun, Ondo, Delta, Edo, Bayelsa, River, and Akwa Ibom before culminating in Cross River. It is crucial for enhancing connectivity and boosting economic activity along Nigeria coastal region. The road is expected to cost 4 billion naira per kilometer, with the government awarding contracts for two sections of less than 100 kilometers at a total cost of 2.46 trillion. Umahi also said the legacy project will be delivered in 8 years. However, this timeline may not be achievable as the minister hinted that the delay would affect the overall project delivery and increase its cost. During the press organized to mark his first anniversary in office, Umahi reiterated the federal government's commitment to completing the project, asserting that all legal and procedural requirements were followed. "We are paying compensation. We are following the corridor's right of way. We are following the legally allowed by the federal government," he stated, while dismissing claims that the project lacked proper authorization. This is the beauty of democracy, and under the guise of democracy, we have some fraudulent individuals who want to reap where they did not sow. We have not just one court case, we have over 6, but we are equal to the task. They want to socket their pipes, and that is all that they are doing. We are paying compensation. Expressing his confusion over the lawsuits, Umahi added, "And so, we don't know what they are taking to court." He added that the project procurement process was above board, having been approved by the Federal Executive Council under the Restrictive Procurement Act. "My permanent secretary is a procurement expert, and I have a very good department of public procurement and good directors. But the project was approved by the Federal Executive Council under restrictive procurement," he stated. The federal government also defended the project costs, countering comparison to other international projects. "I have had to run even the cost of the project at 4 billion naira per kilometer. And yet, people still come to say, oh, this number of lane in Egypt is 1.8 billion. And it's 300 kilometers," he said, criticizing those questioning the project without sufficient understanding. The minister confirmed that all environmental social impact assessments has been completed and the project was included in the 2023 supplementary appropriation. "We have EISA certificate on the project. That's number 1. Number 2 was the project listed in the appropriation list. The project is in the 2023 supplementary appropriation. The project is ongoing, but the more you take us to court, the more we increase the price of work," he noted. Addressing those attempting to obstruct the project through legal means, the former governor of Ebonyi State said if they want to unduly benefit from the project by going to court, they are wasting their time. I fought many battles as governor of my state, and so my name is David, and I'm not afraid of bad people. The federal government announced that no new project will be included in the 2025 budget unless directed by the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, adding that instead, the government will focus on completing existing projects and intervening in critical areas such as road and infrastructure. We need to fix the weak links immediately. If the road is bad, we need to fix it immediately, the government emphasized. The minister further highlighted initiatives aimed to ensuring value for money in government projects, including the removal of the consumer price index from all contracts and the introduction of inflow pricing. We are committed to giving you the government value for money spent on the project, he added. Additionally, the federal government outlined the ministry new four-way project provision, which mandates that 4 field staff be on site to monitor project execution. This will be complemented by mission planning, where stakeholders, including communities, road users, and other actors, will be engaged to monitor work and report any poor quality engaging communities where the project traverse is crucial, the federal government noted. This is to say that if the project continues this way, it will have to be delayed and the price has to go up till it is mostly likely not to be completed if nothing is done. Nonetheless, tell us what you think about this video, and if the people and landowners are right by suing the federal government, kindly let us know on the comment section.